guys, it's Paisley, and today I'm going to teach you how to make squishy slime. And this is pretty big slime. I'm only going to make like a little bit, maybe. So, yeah. Get right onto that video. Squishy slime. So first, you're going to need a measuring cup to measure how much cooling water you're going to add and borax. Then you're going to need some Elmer's glue, any kind would work, and you have to use school glue. I mean, you have to use Elmer's school glue, I guess. And then you will need some borax. This is what borax looks like. And yeah. So then you're going to need some food coloring. I have some pink, purple, blue, and orange. I'm going to go for the orange one. I'm just going to try to make maybe like a yellow. I'm going to have in the packet. Yeah, it actually really turned out orange. And that's okay. So, and this is optional. You can either use food coloring or whatever you have. I don't know. And this is what you'll turn out to have if you mix the right ingredients. So first you're going to need a container. So first you're going to need any kind of container to mix in. Okay, so I'm using this little red bowl, and then you're going to need some things to mix with. And you're going to need an extra big. Make sure it has no water in there. No water. So you're going to need 2 things to mix it with. So let's get making. First, you're going to take your measuring cup and we're going to fill it half cup of a cup right to this line right here. So let's get some glue, open it. So let's get pouring. So wait for it to come out. Just keep on pouring it in there. So yeah, I'm just kind of chill about here. Just keep on waiting and waiting and waiting. Okay, now I'm seriously aggravated with this bottle. So I have this bottle. It's about to like right here. Use some of it. Oh wait, no, it's not. It's a new bottle. So just gonna open it, and it does pour out really fast. So beware. Okay, so that's probably enough. So you've got the right measurements. Just scroll on the cap, and you're just going to take your bowl and pour it in the glue. Just scrape it out. Awesome. Subscribe if you want to see more videos of how to make slime. So make sure it's all out, and then just gonna and stir it a little bit. So now you're going to need a half of a cup of water. Any kind of water would work, and then take your spatula, whatever you're using, and stir. Sorry about my dad and my brother, they're just playing. Daddy, stop! Okay. So now you're going to need your red bowl. It's called after them. And you're going to need some half of a cup of. You're going to need half of a cup of water. Daddy, get out of there!
What are you making?
Probably about half of a cup, and pour it in. Now you're going to need a teaspoon, so a spoon is pretty much like a spoon, and you're just going to scoop a teaspoon of borax. And stir. You gotta stir for a little while. So I'm just stirring both at a time. I'm pretty much both-handed, so pretty good. Now, make sure it's really mixed and pour a little bit into your slime. A little bit into your slime, and the most part is you really got to keep on stirring the whole entire time. So don't stop whatever you do. Keep on mixing. Don't forget the food coloring like I did, please. So now add your food coloring. Probably only need like 1 or 2 drops. Daddy.
Looking at my baby.
And now you're just gonna mix. So it's like this. And make sure it's coming up really good. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys what it kind of looks like right now. Ooh! Hope you guys can see this. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Just kind of keep on stirring till it really makes it see there's like still white clumps on it. But it's going to be so much stretchy, as you can tell. I'm just going to mix. And this is what you're going to turn out with, but it's not going to be purple. It's going to be orange and white, maybe. Got it. Okay, so let's keep on mixing. And I'm just going to add, if your food coloring doesn't turn out as well as you want it to turn out. So I'm just adding 1 more drop of it. Just kind of mix it up. So just keep on mixing. Kind of looks weird right now. The coloring will kind of stain your hand, so keep on mixing. So now once you think it's ready, you can pick it up with your hands. Alright, so here's what you're going to turn out with. It's very stretchy and it's so soft. Now you're going to put all of your bowls and everything aside and make sure you close up the food coloring for next time. So Yeah, so here's what you turn out with. And something very important is that you're going to have to need some parchment paper. So, wax paper, I'm sorry. And just so take some wax paper. And cut it like that. So take your parchment paper, I'm sorry, it's cut long, I am terrible at that. So then take your slime and put it on the parchment paper. And here's the slime. Now just on the parchment paper. It just so it doesn't stick to your counter. Make sure it does not fall onto the floor. Kind of want it to be yellow, but it's okay. So slimy and awesome. It's not sticky, so you see my hand. Squish it in there, nothing. So you can see I'm like squishing it super hard, and then turn it. Nothing. And it's all squishy, so yeah. And pretty much takes me like 5 or 10 minutes to get this done. But while I'm talking to you guys, it takes me a little bit more, like 5 minutes more, so probably about 15 minutes. Oh, it's actually only 12-23 seconds. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Awesome to play with. This one's more squishier than the Papa one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video if you ever can try to make slime. Bye. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye.